Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tinder app. Do you know how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Tinder app? To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on Tinder app, you should just go to settings. Here you can find apps and you can click on Tinder. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about the application of Tinder and you can update your app. If you will find update here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.